Crocheting Glamour, and today I'm going to be teaching you to do a half double crochet. I know it sounds scary, but it really isn't. So you've been practicing your chains, your slip knots and your single crochet. So today I want you to do is pause the video, do a chain. When you've done your chain, come back to me and I'll show you how to do a half double crochet. Okay, so with a half double crochet, you have the first hook here, the first chain. You never use that one, remember? So for the half double, we skip two, so 1 and 2, and we yarn over, and we go into the third chain from the hook, okay, and you pull through, and you'll have 3 loops on your hook. So that 1, 2 and 3. Then you yarn over and pull through all 3, and that's a half double crochet. Again, yarn over, go into the next chain on your row, yarn over, pull it through, and you'll have 3. 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over and pull through all 3. Again, yarn over, go into the loop, pull through, yarn over, 3. Okay, yarn over and pull through all 3, and that's a half double crochet. Again, yarn over, go into your chain, yarn over, pull it back through, pull it up, and you have 3. 1, 2, 3, yarn over and pull through 3. And there, my friend, is your half double crochet. Easy, right? You got this. Yarn over, go into your next chain, go through the loop, yarn over, and pull it back through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 3. Again, yarn over, go into the loop, yarn over, pull it back through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. And I want you to keep practicing all the way across. Okay, so yarn over, into the loop, yarn over, pull through, you have 3 loops on there, yarn over and pull through 3. Again, yarn over, go in, yarn over, pull it back through, 3 loops, 1, 2, 3, yarn over and pull it back through all 3. And you've got this. You can do it. Keep going. 3, yarn over, pull through 3. Again, yarn over, go into the loop, yarn over, pull up, have 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over and pull through all 3. Again, yarn over, go into the loop, yarn over, pull through, 1, 2, 3, yarn over and pull through all 3. We're at the last one. Remember, we don't go into that slip knot, so we just yarn over, go in, yarn over, pull through, got 3, yarn over and pull through all 3. And I'll just put that down. And that, my friend, is your half double crochet. You did it. Yes. I'm so proud. Now I want you to keep practicing that. That's your half double crochet. Until next time, we'll get ready for the double crochet. Until then, keep practicing and happy crocheting. Bye.